Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thanks for stopping by. This channel is all about helping people just like you make money online. So hit the subscribe button to help me keep creating great content for you. For all the returning subscribers, welcome back. If you're a beginner and you are looking to start your first online business, you might be feeling a bit overwhelmed with all the options out there. That's why I wanted to create this video to share with you the 3 best online businesses to start as a beginner in 2023. So, what are some of the best online businesses to start as a beginner? Online business number 1, blogging. Blogging is a business that involves creating and sharing written content with an audience through a blog. You can write about almost any topic as long as it is within the guidelines of the platform you are using. To start a blog, you will need to choose a blogging platform such as WordPress or Blogger. Then you need to choose a domain name and a hosting provider. I recommend Namecheap to buy your domain name and Hostinger to host your blog. After that, you can start creating content and building an audience. Here are a few tips for building an audience for your blog when you are just starting out. 1. Focus on creating high quality content. The most important thing is to create content that is valuable, informative, and engaging. If your content is good, people will be more likely to share it with their friends and followers, which can help you reach a wider audience. 2. Utilize SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, can help your blog rank higher in search results, making it more visible to potential readers. To optimize your blog for SEO, make sure to do keyword research and include relevant keywords in your blog post titles, headings, and throughout the content. 3. Promote your blog on social media. Social media can be a powerful tool for reaching a wider audience. Share your blog posts on personal social media accounts and consider setting up a separate social media account for your blog. Engage with your followers and try to build a community around your blog. 4. Collaborate with other bloggers. Collaborating with other bloggers can help you reach a new audience and make connections within the blogging community. You can collaborate by guest posting on other blogs, participating in blogger groups, challenges, or events, or sharing each other's content on social media. 5. Utilize email marketing. Email marketing can be a powerful way to reach your audience and keep them engaged with your content. Consider setting up an email list and sending newsletters to your subscribers with updates on your latest blog posts and other news. 6. Participate in relevant online communities. Participating in relevant online communities such as forums or Facebook groups can help you connect with potential readers who are interested in your niche. Make sure to follow the rules of the community and be helpful and engaging rather than just posting your own blog. When it comes to monetizing your blog, there are a few different ways to make money with a blog. One way is through advertising, where you earn money by displaying ads on your blog. You can also earn money through sponsored content, where you get paid to write about a particular product or service. Finally, you can earn money through affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission for promoting other people's products on your blog. I have a video on affiliate marketing that can give you more details on how to set it up, so be sure to watch it after. Here are a few steps you can follow as a beginner to get ads on your blog. 1. Choose an ad network. The first step is to choose an ad network to work with. There are several ad networks that you can use, such as Google AdSense, Media.net, or AdThrive. Each ad network has its own requirements and terms, so be sure to read them carefully before signing up. 2. Sign up for an account. Once you have chosen an ad network, you will need to sign up for an account. This usually involves filling out a form and providing some information about your blog and your audience. 3. Place ad code on your blog. After your application is approved, the ad network will provide you with the code that you will need to place on your blog. This can usually be done through the back end of your blogging platform. 4. Display ads on your blog. Once you have placed the ad code on your blog, the ads should start appearing on your site. You can usually customize the types of ads that are displayed, their placement on your blog. 5. Monitor your earnings. You'll be able to see your earnings through your ad network's dashboard. You'll be paid on a regular basis, usually through a direct deposit or check. It's important to note that getting ads on your blog can take some time, especially when just starting out. It can take several months for your blog to start earning a significant income from ads. In the meantime, you can focus on growing your audience and creating high-quality content. Online business number 2, e-commerce. E-commerce is the process of buying and selling products or services online. This can include physical products such as clothing or electronics, or digital products such as ebooks or software. There are a few different ways to start an e-commerce business. One way is to create and sell your own product. This involves coming up with product ideas, sourcing materials or manufacturers, and setting up an online store to sell your products. This requires a lot of time and resources. Another way to start an e-commerce business is to sell other people's products as an affiliate. In this case, you don't have to worry about creating or sourcing products yourself. Instead, you promote products from other companies and earn a commission for each sale you make. There is a great video on this channel on affiliate marketing where I show you how to get started and be successful as an affiliate marketer. Be sure to watch it. Finally, you can use platforms like Etsy or eBay to sell your products. These platforms allow you to set up an online store and sell your products to a wider audience. The last two methods are way easier and more cost-effective because you don't have to worry about creating products, dealing with inventory or storage, and you can start with no money at all. Online business idea number 3, online consulting coaching. Online consulting or coaching involves offering your expertise or knowledge to help others achieve a particular goal or solve a problem. This can be done through one-on-one coaching sessions, group coaching, or through online courses or workshops. To start an online consulting or coaching business, you'll need to decide what you want to offer and to whom. You'll also need to create a website or social media presence to market yourself and your services. Here are a few tips for marketing your online consulting or coaching business when you are just starting out. 1. Create a website. Having a professional-looking website is essential for establishing credibility and attracting clients. Your website should include information about your services, your experience and qualifications, and how to contact you. 2. Use social media. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching potential clients and promoting your services. Create social media accounts on platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, and use them to share updates, blog posts, and other relevant content. 3. Offer free resources. Offering free resources such as ebooks, webinars, or newsletters can be a great way to attract potential clients and demonstrate your expertise. These resources should provide value to your target audience and position you as an authority in your field. 4. Network with other professionals. Building relationships with other professionals in your field can be a great way to find new clients and get referrals. Consider joining professional organizations, attending industry events, and participating in online groups or forums. 5. Use email marketing. Email marketing can be an effective way to stay in touch with potential clients and keep them informed about your services. Consider setting up an email list and sending regular newsletters and updates. 6. Offer a free consultation. Offering a free consultation can be a great way to attract potential clients and demonstrate your expertise. You can use the consultation to learn about your clients' needs and see how you can help them. It's important to be patient and consistent when marketing your online consulting and coaching business. It can take time to build an audience and attract clients, but with dedication and consistency, you can succeed. There are a few different ways to make money as an online consultant or coach. You can charge for one-on-one sessions or group coaching, or you can create and sell online courses or workshops. You can also sell digital products such as ebooks or resources related to your area of expertise. These are the 3 best online businesses to start as a beginner in 2023. You can start any of them with little to no money and still make good money from it. The most important thing is to find something you're passionate about and go for it. With consistency and dedication, you can turn your online business into a success. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Take care.